In this video, I will take you on step by steps on how to calculate standard deviation. So in step one, what we are going to do in step one is we'll find the mean. And so in step two, we'll subtract the mean from each score. Then step three, we'll square each deviation. In step four, we are going to add this square deviation. We are going to add all of them together. Then in step five, we'll divide the sum by n minus 1. Then step 6, we'll take the square root of step 5 results. So when you are calculating standard deviation, these steps must be applied. I repeat again, these steps must be applied. So you might just want to write it on a piece of paper because we'll be using these steps. So this is the formula we'll be using. We'll take the summation of the differences between the x and the mean. Then we'll square it, then divide it by n minus 1, all in square roots. So let's apply our formula. Step 1. Our step 1 says we should find the mean. Okay, let's find the mean. Our mean is equal to the sum of the numbers divided by the size of the sample, which is equal to 70 plus 90 plus 97 plus 40 plus 77 plus 46 divided by the size of the sample. The size of the sample is let's take the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. This will simply give us 70 plus 90 plus 97 plus 40 plus 77 plus 46. This is equal to 420 divided by 6, which will give us 70. 70, okay? So 70 is our mean. So let's plug this inside our table. Let's say this is our x, and here is our mean, and here is our x minus our mean. We have our x here minus our mean, all squared. All right, so let's plug our s. The first one is 70, second one is 90, 97, 40, 77, and 46. All right, so our mean, we have gotten our mean. Our mean here is 70. So let's plug our mean. 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, and 70. All right, so the next step says subtract the mean from each score. Okay, we are going to subtract here. 70 minus 70 is 0. 90 minus 70 is 20. 97 minus 70, 27. 40 minus 70 is minus 30. 77 minus 70 is 7. 46 minus 70 is minus 2. Okay, the next step says square each deviation. Now let's square this. Square 0. When you square 0, what I'm going to have is 0. We square this. 20 times 20 is 400. Take the square here. This will give us 7 29. We take another square here. 949 and 576. All right. So the next step says add the squared deviation. So let's add this. 0 plus 400 plus 729 plus 900 plus 90 plus 900 plus 49, sorry, plus 576. This to give us equal to 2654. All right, 2654. So the next step says divide the sum by n minus 1. All right. So our n is size of our sample minus 1. Size of our sample is 6. So 6 minus 1 is going to give us 5. So let's say this divide by here. 2654 divided by 5. Let's use our calculator, please. This will give us 530.8. Okay. So the next step says take the square root of step 5 results. This is our step 5 results. So let's take the square root. 530.8 the square root. Square root 530.8 will give us 23.039. This becomes our differences here. Okay, let's take one more example. All right, so let's put in our numbers. The first one is 80. Second one is 39, 73, 69, 95, 60, 99, 40, 15, 30. Okay, using our steps, the first step says find your mean. Let's add this together, please. 80 plus 39 plus 73 plus 69 plus 95 plus 60 plus 99 plus 40 plus 15 plus 30. Okay, this will give us total of 600 divided by 10. So our mean is 60. So let's plug in our mean. 60, 60, 60. Okay, so step 3. Okay, step 2. We are still in step 2. Subtract the mean from each score. Now look at our mean. So we are going to subtract it. 80 minus 60. That will give us 80 minus 60. will give us 20. 39 minus 60 will give us minus 21. 73 minus 60, 30. Okay, 13. 9. 35. 0. 39 minus 20 minus 45 minus 30. Okay. All right, step 3. Square each deviation. So we are going to square this one after the other. 400. 441. 169. 81. 1225. 0. 1521. 400. 2025. 900. Okay. So the next one is summation. Let's sum our numbers, okay? Please, your calculator, please. 400 plus 441 plus 169 plus 81 plus 1225 plus 0 plus 1521 plus 400 plus 2025 plus 900. So this will give us 7162. So let's divide it by n minus 1. Our n minus 1 is 9. 7162 divided by 9. This will give us 795.777. All right, let's take the last one, which is the square root of our step 5. Square root of 795.775. 795.77 is equal to 28, difference of 28.209. Now you know how to calculate standard deviation. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.